we need to use the mask correctly. If we use it correctly, then it's going to reduce the risk of infection. However, if we don't use it correctly, it actually increases the risk of infection. So we gotta know how to put this on properly. Okay. So when you get a mask, the color side is waterproof. It should be facing out. Okay. And this is facing in towards us. Okay. The top edge should have this slight metal wire. Okay. So when we put on with the color facing outside, and then you seal up on the top here. Okay. And then this area is like the forbidden area. You don't touch this area anymore because this could have all the germs or bacteria or the virus in there. So you don't want to touch this area. Okay. So before you put on mask, really drink plenty of water because you want to reduce your chance of moving the mask. Okay. You don't really want to touch this area after you put it on. Okay. And then when you take it off, make sure you don't touch the front part, okay, the blue part, okay, and then you really should fold it, okay, and then dispose it.